Hello guys, good day. I'm uploading another video here. This is still related to finding slope, and this time I'm gonna focus on finding the slope given an equation of a line. So I'm gonna start with the standard form, which is the y-intercept form. I'm gonna do two numbers for you, and then for the next two numbers, I'm going to show you how to change it first to y-intercept form before we find the slope of the line. So with this, going back to yesterday's example I showed you, remember our slope-intercept form is this. Don't forget about that one. Y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is your y-intercept. So with that one, it's easy to identify the slope if it's already in standard form, or y-intercept form I mean. So with this, whatever is the coefficient that goes with your x, that's going to be your slope. So here it's going to be negative 1/4. That's it. Number two, based on the y-intercept form, so our slope here is the number that goes with your x is negative 5/3. So that's your slope. Okay, now the challenge is when you have a standard form wherein you're going to change this to y-intercept form. We're going to change our equation to this. Wherein we're going to isolate the y on the left, and then we're going to move the x and the y-intercept on the right. Okay, so with this one, we do elimination method. So subtract 4x here, subtract 4x on the other side. So that cancels out. What's left is 5y. We're going to arrange it in that way, in that form. Your x first and then your constant. So we still have the 5 here. We're going to divide this by 5. Divide everything by 5. That cancels out. Y is negative 4/5 x. 15 divided by 5. That's going to be 3. So your equation now is ready. That's going to be your y-intercept form. Therefore, our slope here is negative 4/5. Okay? Number 4. This is the second example. So the same thing. We're going to isolate our y on the left. Process of elimination that cancels out. Negative y is equal to negative 4x. We can disregard the 0 because 0 has no value. We can just ignore it right there. Divide by negative 1 to make it positive. Y is 4x. Therefore, our slope is 4. Okay, so I hope that made it clear to you guys. I'll be uploading some homework for you to do tonight. Thank you very much.